Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add text in OBS Studio step by step. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. In the Sources box, click the plus icon. Select Text GDI plus. Now you'll see two options. You can create a new text source or add an existing one. Choose Create New, give it a name like Title or Message, then click OK. Next, type your text in the text box. You can also customize font style and size, color, background color, and opacity if needed. Once you're happy with it, click OK. Now the text will appear on your scene. You can move and resize it anywhere you like. That's it. Your text is now added to OBS Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.